Oh, snapdragon. It's the moment of truth, Chase. Show us what you got, bro. Crank, crank, crank. This fish wants a free ride to your grill. He said, Mr. Chase, can you please give me a piggyback ride to the docks? I want to have a night nap on your
got you, Daddy.
charcoal grill.
I was wondering. I'm like, I think they got me.
Oh. What's up, people? Welcome back to the channel. I'm out here with a friend of ours, Jason. It's me in Hollywood. My little buddy Chase. Say what's up, Chase. Say what's up.
What's up?
There you go. And we were out here fishing. We trolled for dolphin a little bit earlier. Got really hot really quick. Wind died down. Didn't get a dolphin. So now we're bottom fishing. Trying to hit these beeliners up. We got a pretty good box of them. Where are we fishing at, Chase? What? The Atlantic Ocean, right? Yeah. What lives out here?
Fish.
Fish. What about sharks?
Yes.
What about megalodon?
Yes.
Yes. What's megalodon?
Monster truck.
Monster truck. All right. So y'all hang with us. We're gonna get this a little bit while longer, try to get our limit, and then we're gonna, depending on what Mr. Chase wants to do, we might go trolling a little bit more, or we might go find a different spot. I don't know. Say what's up to the camera. Is he still on there? All right, we'll get another one. AJ right here, dude. Woo! Get him, dude! Get him, boy! I'm gonna put you on TV a little bit.
Oh, look at that rod.
Woo!
Making it spin.
Oh, he probably broke you off.
I still got the weight on it.
Oh man, you fought too hard. You pulled him off. You're too strong, dude. You pulled the hook right out of his mouth. That's all right. We'll get another one. Fish as tough as a damn lineman, ain't he? What we doing, dude?
Talk to him.
Is he still on there?
Oh, yeah.
I need you to do it.
You got it.
You're
You're
tired?
almost there.
You need some help?
You're almost there.
You want Mr. Hollywood to help you? All right, he's gonna help you. I got it, rod.
You hold it.
Come on, help him reel it. Help him reel it. There you go. Get him. Get him, dude. Get him. Show him who the boss is. Look at that, dude. Look at that, dude. Give me a fist bump. Look how big that thing is, man. Holy cow. You just reeled that in from 100 feet of water. That's 100 feet deep, man. Look at that.
Look at the camera.
How cool is that, bro? But ain't it? Gets you excited.
That fish was sloppy.
Yeah, Yeah.
Yeah, that's just.
Well, he's gonna taste good. He's gonna taste real good. We never get videos of us. That little beeliner whoop his butt. Look! Pa-pow! Another one! Okay. That there's a fish, buddy. Yeah. Oh man, you gotta make the right face, man. You gotta make the right face. Bring him to the top, Chase. Bring him to the top. I see him down there. Can you look over? See him in the water? Dude, that's another toad. Say what's up.
Yeah! Double it up. I hear you, bud.
Look, Dad's fighting one now.
Yeah. See? Another one.
Oh, those are some big ones, man. Yeah, that's a big one.
Got it?
Sorry. Just trying to keep that weight off.
Look at that. Yeah. Those are good. You don't catch these every day here, bud.
Not this big.
Well, that wraps up another video. And I know you guys probably get tired of me saying it, but watching these kids and seeing their faces when they're catching these fish is freaking super awesome, man. This is why we do it. So, happy 4th birthday, Chase. You are awesome to fish with. Can't wait to see you again, bud. Don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment below. Check us out on the web, www.xratedfishing.com. Love you guys. See you on the next one.
Huh? Oh, I don't.
Yeah, you do for dinner tonight.
Wow. I need that. Where's that leg? 12. That's cool. Mine's cooler.
Yours cooler?
Yes.
Why?
Because it's leader.
Oh, yeah. It's the bleed maniac, huh?
The bleed maniac. Here's mine too for a bleed one.
You did a good job today, buddy. You gonna come back and fish with us another time? Yeah. All right. Did you have fun?
It's my dad's face, so I can.
All right.
Can I wash one of these?
Yes, sir. Just be careful.
This knife is doing this for
In a basket?
Yes, sir. You can just wash them right there in the basket, bud.
I'm not gonna dip it.
This knife's making me look like a rookie.
Do what now?
This knife's making me look like a rookie.
Shit. You want me to?